Hi guys, in this video let me teach you how can you install ChatGPT on Android. So let's get right into it. So as you all know, there aren't any ChatGPTs available on the Play Store. So if you search for ChatGPT, there are none available. As you can see, these are just imitations of the ChatGPT app. So in order to go over and have that on your screen or install it, you just have to go over to the Chrome browser and make sure that go over to the website chat.openai.com, and once you are here you just have to go over to the three dots here and also make sure to sign in, guys. So you just have to add that to the home screen and you can rename that to whatever you want. It comes in with the logo, just add it and let's see if that worked. And as you can see, you have now installed ChatGPT on your device. So all you have to do, guys, is just tap on it and you should be redirected to the ChatGPT site right away and there. So okay guys, that is all for today. Thank you for watching and goodbye.